So, today, this arrived. The new print bed for my printer to replace this old thing. You might be able to see that this is bigger than that. Actually, it's bigger than the whole printer. And that's because I'm going to cut these into small squares. So if I have an accident like this again, I can just cut another slice out, glue it on, stick it on even, and we'll be done. No need to worry about this happening, creating dents in the bottom. Don't have an example to show, but you know, you've seen it before. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so right now, I'm just doing a voiceover of the videos to tell what's going on. If you like it or not, tell me down below, and I'll change the next video accordingly. Anyway, right now, I'm measuring out the previous print bed size, so that when I put the new one in, there will be barely any difference, except that it's a new print bed that I've stuck on. Alright, so right now, I'm lifting up the nozzle, so I've got plenty of room to remove the current print surface. Then, I'm gonna mark out where the current print bed is on all four corners, just so that when I put the new print surface on, it'll be the exact same position as before. Alright, now to put it on the print bed. Right, it's time to peel it off. There it is. Ooh, it's nice and smooth at the bottom. Alright, so now I need to somehow find a way to get rid of this sticky residue that's left behind. Alright, so after I took off the print surface, I was left with a sticky glue, which I had to get rid of before I put the new one on. So I first used a scraper that the printer came with, and that didn't turn out so well because I took too much effort. So then I tried out using a cloth and warm water, but the cloth just ended up sticking onto the print glue thing. So, with some rubbing alcohol and a scraper, I got all the residue off, because using the scraper by itself wasn't enough, because that would have taken forever. And the rubbing alcohol helped out a lot, because it made the residue come off like it was an orange peel. Anyway, time to get this on. Now that's satisfying. Oh no, oh no. Oh, poop. Alright, let's put it on again. You know what? That turned out pretty good. You know, apart from the fact that I stuck it down by accident at the start. It actually stuck on, and it looks way better than the original one. This one's a lot more grippier, but so I hope this doesn't affect the print quality. I went from this to this. Ooh. Yeah, there might be a bit of white there, but that's fine. All good. I can live with that. I'd rather have that on that being white on the corner than having a massive hole in the middle that ruins every single print that I have. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Yep, that's it for this week. Stay tuned till next week, where I print some lithophane in ways you might have not seen before.